Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, choosing the right exchange is crucial. Today, we're breaking down Kraken versus Binance to help you decide which one fits your needs best. Let's jump right in. First up, Kraken. This US-based exchange is renowned for its top-notch security features, like advanced two-factor authentication and cold wallet storage. It's perfect for beginners with its straightforward interface and reliable customer support. However, Kraken's trading fees are on the higher side, which might eat into your profits over time. Plus, it offers a solid selection of cryptocurrencies and is heavily regulated, making it a safer bet in an increasingly scrutinized crypto landscape. Now, let's talk about Binance, one of the biggest players globally. It boasts an enormous variety of cryptocurrencies and trading pairs, along with some of the lowest fees in the industry, especially if you hit their VIP levels. Binance is a powerhouse for advanced traders, with tools like futures trading and staking options. But it has faced regulatory hurdles in various regions, and its interface can feel overwhelming for newcomers. Security has improved, but past breaches mean you should stay vigilant. When comparing the two, security gives Kraken the edge due to its clean record and compliance focus, which could be even more important by 2025 with tighter global regulations. On fees, Binance wins hands down, making it ideal for high-volume traders. For user experience, Kraken's simplicity is a plus for beginners, while Binance's depth appeals to pros. So, which one should you choose? If you're prioritizing safety and ease, go with Kraken. For low costs and extensive options, Binance is your pick. Remember, always research regulations in your area and consider your trading style. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.